here, y'all. They got me out here. What the hell? This shit finna take 30 minutes, man. Pickup time is 8:32. What's the other? Cold Stone? These motherfucking people, boy. These damn people. What the hell is wrong with them? They gave me the 2 weakest orders in my whole zone. Jesus Christ, man. Take it easy. They ain't never heard of take it easy? Alright, y'all. We heading to Qdoba. We finna pick this first one up. Golly. This is booty. This order is paying $7.75. Y'all, what is going on? Hit that like button on the way in. Oh, Lord Jesus. A little more work to be platinum. It's all good. I need a... Oh my goodness. Y'all see how the Wingstop employee tried to do me? His ass trying to have me fill up drinks. I'm not filling up no damn drink. The hell I look like? Filling up a damn drink at Wingstop. No! If you ain't filling up drinks, guess what? Customer ain't getting no drink. Simple as that. Think I'm finna be wasting time filling up these damn drinks? Hell no. I told him, hey, I'll be right back. I told him, all right, hold on, I'll be right back. I went straight to the car and dipped out. I did not come back. Boy, I'm not coming back to fill up no damn drink. The hell is wrong with you? And he got that same dumbass look on his face. Talking about some, I didn't have enough time. Motherfucker, I saw you standing there since I pulled up doing nothing. You had plenty of time to fill the drink. If you wasn't feeling it, ain't no way I'm feeling it. Guys, why did they have to do me like this? They could have sent me something better than this, man. They really could have. And my acceptance rate didn't even go up, man. Let me see if they got something ready up there. Straight up disgraceful. Who we picking up for? You know the sound of that Ford. That motherfucker ain't playing no games. Don't be a clown and turn the order down.